On June 6, 2024, an officer from the Battle Creek Police Department in Michigan witnessed a motorcyclist run a red light, according to the police report. The officer quickly noted a white male, suspect with a red beard, driving a black motorcycle with red and white shoes and no helmet. After taking the turn to initiate a traffic stop, the officer also noticed the license plate of the motorcycle was obscured.
According to the police report, the motorcycle exceeded 80 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone after quickly calling off the pursuit. The officer requested assistance from other officials in the area. In less than 10 minutes, another officer found a motorcycle that fit the description, parked on a sidewalk, still running.
How you doing? You just want to come up real quick. Okay, thank you. Were you just riding down Morgan Road at all?
No.
Okay. Is this your bike?
Yeah, this is my bike, but...
Okay. It is, I think it's keys still in it, maybe?
Yeah, probably. Are you using my keys in it?
Okay. He just had a bike that looks just like that bike takeoff from him.
Nope. So I just rode from Kalamazoo. I was wearing this exact outfit.
Okay.
Rode from Kalamazoo right here.
So I'm not trying to...
I've probably been here like 20, 30 minutes.
Okay. I'm not trying to say it was you or whatever, but we're just investigating that.
Yeah,
so.
I ain't been down Morgan at all today.
Okay.
So what you going in rush for?
Huh?
What you going in rush for?
I wasn't going down Morgan, so that wasn't me. I literally just came from Kalamazoo, right down North Ave, right to here.
So you were never at any point from Michigan to Washington and then took off? Appreciate it. Michigan?
No. I literally rode right down North Ave. Capitol, right to North Ave, right to here.
Yeah, your license on it?
Yeah.
So it's all on video. So if it wasn't you, great. If it was, we're gonna figure it out pretty quick. So just honesty's best policy. But I'm gonna go run your...
Yeah, I literally just rode here down North Ave.
Okay. You were coming from Kalamazoo to do what?
Yeah, this is my house.
Like, what were you doing in Kalamazoo?
At work.
Oh, work?
I just rode my bike back.
Where do you work at?
I work for myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Didn't realize I left my keys in it.
Is the plate always folded up?
Not that I realized, but yeah, now it is.
You good if I peel it down just so I can see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
62 over 50, you guys get there?
Yeah, still out. Can you copy a plate for the motorcycle?
I'll be honest with you, it's probably not legal.
No, it's expired, but...
I just bought it.
Who'd you buy it from?
My boy Brent, probably a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
Do you know how to watch video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to go watch video?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Do you think this is your guy or no? Okay.
So what's that scenario? If it is, he believes I'm his guy.
He's the primary officer. He's the one that tried to stop the bike. But if I thought you were the guy who ran for me, you'd be in cuffs in the back of my car right now.
I didn't never see nobody behind me.
Okay, and that's fine too. It doesn't necessarily have to be jail. It's at least we're investigating fleeing and eluding, so that's a felony charge.
Even though I didn't see him behind me at all?
I just heard what he was talking on the radio. I get your point too, although those look like some pretty good mirrors, but I know it's hard to see on a bike.
I looked in my mirrors maybe once.
No, and I get that too.
Sorry, no, you can see on my camera, so you can put it back for me.
Can I put my dog up real quick?
No. Can you put it back for me? Release your fingers like a praying?
Huh? Yeah.
Just like that.
Do you have anyone who can come pick your dog up?
No.
Alright.
I'm going to jail.
Alright. Just don't want this to get too tight. Log over to my car real quick.
Take me to jail.
Well, we're gonna figure that one out in just a second.
Put my hands in front of me to sit in here?
Nope. It's policy.
Okay.
Seatbelt goes to the house the other side. Just have a seat in there real quick for me.
Do you have the video pulled up?
It's in I have it paused right there. Before
C2 to see where it was?
I mean, it's definitely you. It looks like Washington and Van Buren.
I definitely rode straight down North Ave here.
that's you, man. Beard, That's your Crocs. You were wearing a backpack. You just told me you were wearing a backpack.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I got behind you and I lit you up, I saw you look behind me, and then you hauled us. You were gone. Blowing red lights, weaving through traffic, cutting in front of traffic. Lane splitting's not legal here. You're lane splitting the entire time.
Okay. I mean, if you got me on video, I'm not going to deny it.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand your rights? Is that read them to you? Okay. With that in mind, do you mind answering a couple questions?
No.
Okay.
He didn't want to talk?
No.
I'm just gonna ask him if he wants me to lock his door and push his bike in.
Just the driveway?
Okay, that's all I'm gonna ask him.
Okay.
I got arrested. My backpack's at the house. Come bail me out.
So I've got him for fleet and elude.
And then if he's driving the way you described, I'd do
I
reckless.
literally saw him. I was like, oh, I want to see a plate, and haul it off.
I mean, it's at least expired. Look into that. If you don't have insurance, no proof. So I'd do reckless if you drive the way you described.
What's up?
For real, bro, I did not see you. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did not see you.
You didn't look behind you, and I saw you look right behind you.
For real, did not see you turn your lights on.
When I flipped the lights on, hit the siren, you went.
I 100% honestly did not see you turn your lights on. I can see you're upset about that. I did not.
I'm not upset about it. What I'm upset about is that you are lane splitting, jumping in front of cars, and then you know there's a police car behind you, and you are literally blowing red lights, flying almost 100 miles an hour down the road.
I was never going 100, but
I would say at least 80.
Do you want me to push your bike into the driveway?
yeah, that would be cool.
And then do you want me to lock your door?
No,
That's fine there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the screen door is
I'm going to
the only
jail
one
right now.
closed, yeah. If that's how it's described, absolutely. The only reason I called you is because you left it running on the sidewalk.
Yeah, and that's 100% the same bike. I was like, and that's 100% the same dude.
That's 100%.
Red beard, the shoe. I was like, I thought it was a shoe. It's a Croc.
Hey, real quick. Hey,
What's up?
real quick. Can you undo my hand so I can call my wife real quick and she can come bail me out?
You can make a phone call at the jail, but I'm not going to undo your handcuffs so you can make a phone call.
Okay, can I make a phone call with him behind my back real quick?
No.
You care?
No, I mean, you can make a phone call when we get to the jail. They'll let you still get a number and you can call from there.
I know, I'm just trying to get out soon, not tomorrow.
Well, that's the only option. You'll get out tomorrow. Even if she tried to bail you out today, like, that won't happen. You'd have to wait till tomorrow to see a judge. So.
How late can I come get you?
I don't know. Supposedly he saw me on the bike. Supposedly I ran from him on the bike. I didn't even see his ass, but
Okay.
the bike's in the driveway. If you could push it behind the truck. My backpack's in the house. Top zipper pack has bail money in it.
Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Yep. Bye. I didn't even see you, bro, for real. I gotta wear that back here. Or
Wear what back here?
the seatbelt.
You don't want to, that's your choice.
Okay, cool. I can't sit on my hands like that. Bro, there's no way you can put these cuffs in front of me?
No, it's policy,
Just
man.
killing my wrist, for real.
Okay, well, like I said, it's...
If I put them in front of me, are you gonna be pissed?
Yes, I would be pissed because it's a violation of our policy.
Both my wrists are still in it. I was literally gonna stick my legs to it. But you can see.
No. It's like a 10-minute drive to the jail. I just gotta do this real quick.
So what you charging me with?
Flee and elude.
Even though I didn't know you was back there?
You 100% knew that I was back there.
Dude, I was 100% didn't f***ing know you were back there. You keep calling me a f***ing liar? F*** you. That's what that land. F*** you.
So
I didn't know you was back there. You want to be a b****? About it, bro.
So then why did you take
me to
off?
f***ing jail.
Then why did you leave? Why did you take off like that?
Bro, I was just riding. I wasn't taking off from you.
Are you
I don't give a f*** about your ass.
Dude, I'm a rider too. I get it, but you don't ride like that.
Yeah, I'm a rider too. Oh, you're stuck in f***ing you.
You're not gonna vape in the back of the car. I'll let you keep it in the pocket. That's fine. But if you're sucking on that thing, I'm gonna take it that way.
Okay. Send me that video.
You'll see it in court.
I'd like to see it.
You'll see it in court.
Yeah, that's what's up. Cause y'all.
I'm not the one running, man.
I wasn't running from nobody. I already done told you that, you dumb son of a bitch. I don't give a f*** about you. Tell this guy he's a bitch. Put that out over the radio. Oh, y'all bitches. That's what y'all is. Y'all fucking funny. Didn't even see your ass and you got me with a fleeing and eluding and felony. Kyle, I'll remember that shit. I'm a rider too. I'll see you judge tomorrow morning or
Tomorrow afternoon, somewhere. I think it's like 1 o'clock.
you let me make a phone call real quick? You gonna stop if I make a phone call?
You can't wait 5 minutes till we get to the jail?
You gonna let me call on my phone real quick? I don't know what her fucking number is, so I can't call from the jail.
No, you can. They'll let you get phone numbers from there. That's what I'm telling you, is that they'll let you do it.
I really didn't run from you, bro. I know you think you believe that, but I really didn't even know you was behind me.
Contrary to your belief, I'm not trying to, like, be a complete asshole.
Yeah.
I'm really not.
I'm just telling you, I really didn't know you was behind me.
Okay.
100% on God, I did not know you was behind me.
If you didn't know, then why were you, like, hauling ass, going through all those red lights and, like, jumping through all the traffic, lane splitting? Like,
What red light did I run?
You ran 2 of them that I saw.
If you popped me on Washington and being burnt, there was only 1 red light between there and my house.
Technically, there's 4 lights.
You a bitch for hitting me with felony charges, bro. You a bitch for that.
That's what the charge is.
Yeah, you hit it. You a bitch for that, and you know it.
Like I said, I'm not trying to f you over. I'm not trying to screw you intentionally.
Yeah, you just a bitch. It's okay. I understand. That's how bitches be. You go get somebody else to get me out this car, because you ain't touching me. I can tell you that.
Give me 1 second. For the county guys, once they get in the...
Yep. You better send them to come get me out this car, because you ain't fucking touching me, bud.
No, I'm just waiting for them to get in the office.
Okay.
That's
it. I'm just telling you that. You ain't getting me out this car. You ain't gonna be the one.
I'm just gonna escort you. I'm not touching you.
Nah. You better go get somebody else to come get me out this car. I ain't with you. I can tell you that.
Bro, I'm not gonna like...
Okay, bro. I ain't with you. I'm telling you, I ain't with you. You better go get somebody else to get me out this car. Listen, I'm trying to make it cordial with you. I ain't with you. I need you to go get somebody else to get me out this car. Because I can't you.
You're not being cordial with me, man. I'm being as professional as possible.
I'm just telling you, you ain't getting me out this car.
Okay, if they come out here, they're putting you in a chair. That's why they come out here. I'm trying to be civil with you. I'm telling you, like, the options that you have is you can step out. I'm not gonna touch you. Just walk in with them.
Okay.
That's it. Like,
I'll make that deal.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
All right, that's cool with me. Cool, and they're ready. Sweet. You need to chop something?
No. Phone's in my pocket.
Okay.
So since you already unlocked my felony, you have to do a full strip search.
What's your phone number, Cole?
You got one.
It's just for the courts.
Yeah, you got one.
Okay. All right.
I do consent. Turns up. What's your say?
Because it's a felony, we had to do a DNA swab. So I should go out and grab that. Okay. Are you willing to do that?
Nah.
No? Okay. It's an additional charge if you refuse.
Huh?
It's an additional charge if you refuse.
An additional felony charge?
Yes. It's an RNO.
Is it what?
RNO.
What's that?
Resisting.
That's not a felony charge. That's a felony charge?
That's a felony.
Come get it then, motherfucker. Come on.
Okay. If you feel more comfortable, I can ask and see if he's willing to do it.
Yeah. I'd rather him than you. I don't want you nowhere near me, motherfucker.
Alright, let me go grab it.
Bro, I've never seen you without that badge, bro. You know.
Like I said, I'm not trying to intentionally screw you, man.
That's what it boils down to.
Because I was driving 80 miles an hour down the road in lanes, running a bunch of red lights. I'm doing my job.
Do your job, man.
That's what I'm doing. What would you want me to do in this circumstance?
I ain't run from you. You hit me with a felony, fleeing and eluding. Like I looked right at you, was like, hey, you ran off, motherfucker. I run off on you, bitch. I didn't even see your bitch ass.
Okay, well, what would you want me to do then?
Not hit me with a felony fucking charge, you dumb motherfucker. How do you not get that, you dumb bitch?
What would you prefer?
Bro, get him the out of here. Can you just send him the out? Because he's a bitch. And he knows it. Yeah. Live your bitch ass life, bitch.
I'm not giving you the citations, by the way, but you are going to get the one for the reckless driving on me too. So
give me the felony.
I was just trying to de-escalate, just so I could enough to be like, hey, listen, my printer's down. I can't give you all your tickets that I was going to write you, so I'm cutting you a break on the tickets. I still have to write you for something because you were reckless driving on your motorcycle and then ran from me. I have to do something.
Right.
I should have cited him with
Running a red light.
the vehicle's unregistered. It's not registered and it's expired. So I was like, I was gonna do unregistered vehicle, no insurance, but I can't print any of that stuff. And I'm like, you know what? I'm cutting you a break here. I'm only citing you for the 2 things. So then he's in there calling me a and, you know, hopes he sees me without the badge.
Oh, wow. Gonna do it on the
It's like, don't hit me with a felony. Fleeing and elude is a felony. Don't run from the cops. So then I'm like, hey, I gotta do a DNA because it's a felony. And he was like, but you can't do it. He's gotta do it. So
Wow. I don't like to take DNA.
I know he's looking right at me.
Yeah.
But if I had a dime for every time the guy was just like staring me down. And this is why I'm still recording. And if I go to Myers with my family, he sees me and my family outside of work, what's he gonna do to me or my family?
Right, exactly.
I don't want that.
After his arrest, the suspect was charged with 1 count of felony fleeing and eluding and 1 count of misdemeanor reckless driving. He was held on a $500 bond. The bond was paid 6 days later for his temporary release. According to Michigan court websites, he appears to have taken a plea deal. His felony fleeing charge was dismissed, and he pled guilty to reckless driving. He must pay court fines and fees totaling up to $715. He has a review hearing on January 27, 2025, indicating he is likely serving some sort of probation or community service for the crime.